Unlock the health benefits of barley. Looking for a natural way to boost your health? Our premium barley is here to help. Packed with nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants, it's the perfect addition to your diet. Why choose JC Barley? Supports digestion. High in fiber to promote a healthy gut. Heart health. Helps lower cholesterol and improves circulation. Rich in antioxidants. Protects your body from harmful free radicals. Aids weight management. Low in calories. High in fiber, great for your diet. Don't miss out on this chance to improve your wellness with the power of barley. Order now and feel the difference. Link in the description.
Have you ever wondered what makes Filipino women's hair so silky smooth and straight? Introducing JC Nature's Own Shampoo, the new shampoo that helps you achieve the same silky smooth and straight hair as Filipino women. With JC Nature's Own Shampoo, you can say goodbye to frizz and hello to silky smooth hair that's full of life and shine. JC Nature's Own Shampoo is for all hair types, and it's gentle enough for daily use. Try JC Nature's Own Shampoo and get the silky smooth hair you've always wanted.
JC Organic Barley, a miracle product packed with the powerhouse of nutrients. Our organic barley grass powder is loaded with a full spectrum of essential vitamins and minerals, including these vitamins. JC Organic Barley is 25 times richer in potassium than bananas, 7 times richer in vitamin C than oranges, 11 times richer in calcium than milk, 5 times richer in iron than spinach, plus beta-carotene, panasonic acid and folic acid. That's not all. It also contains amino acid, chlorophyll, fiber, protein and enzyme. Based on research studies of National Library of Medicine in the US, barley grass powder is the best functional food that provides nutrition and eliminates toxins from cells in human beings. Its functional ingredients have played an important role for therapeutic chronic diseases. With a nutrient profile like that, JC Organic Barley has a lot to offer the human body. Not only does JC Organic Barley taste great, but it also boasts a range of incredible health benefits. Addiction. It helps curb cravings for coffee, alcohol, drugs, nicotine and other addictive substances, making it a valuable tool in addiction recovery. Anti-cancer. Plus, it has been shown to have preventative and curative effects against cancer cells, including breast cancer and colon cancer. Bone health. And let's not forget about bone health. JC Organic Barley is a rich source of calcium, copper, manganese and phosphorus, promoting bone production and keeping your bones healthy and strong. Weight loss. JC Organic Barley is also an excellent addition to your weight loss journey. Our organic barley grass powder contains insoluble fiber, which curbs hunger and prevents overeating, making it easier to stick to your health goals, and also helps improve digestive and gut health. Diabetes. The dietary fiber and other functional ingredients of barley grass also has a significant reduction in fasting blood sugar levels, which helps fight diabetes. Cardiovascular diseases. The flavonoids mechanism in the barley grass, which is rich in vitamins A, bone, C and E, also prevents cardiovascular diseases that helps regulate blood pressure. Therefore, this makes JC Organic Barley good for the heart. JC Organic Barley has so much to offer. What makes us different from other barley brands in the market? 20-30 cm. Well, JC Organic Barley Grass is carefully cut when it is about 20 to 30 cm, processed and packaged to ensure that you receive the highest quality product possible. Made in New Zealand, we guarantee that our product will exceed your expectations. JC Organic Barley only comes from the best source, which is in New Zealand, where the soil and climate meets all the requirements for the most nutritious packed barley grass to grow into. With all of these fantastic health benefits, this nutritional powerhouse and freshly made New Zealand superfood is also proven and tested by many users worldwide. So, why not give JC Organic Barley a try? Trust us, your taste buds and your body will thank you. Add this miracle product to your daily routine and experience the difference it can make in your life. Get ready on your wellness journey to life healthy and choose good life with New Zealand's JC Organic Barley.